Well, welcome to the Batman56 channel. Uh, what's this? I wanted to learn about electronics. So, ooh, why is my camera so dark here? No, there, let's turn up the light. No, let's turn it back down. Okay, so I got this snap circuits thing because, well, I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed, so I thought I'd get kids' toys. It's the 750R. It's got a bunch of stuff. We'll work on this some other time. And I ordered the Snapino because it was Amazon was like, "Hey, this is cheap." I'm like, "Yeah, I just got my government bucks, so what the hell? Why not?" And then I got this Rover thing because, well, I always wanted a remote control car, but this will help me to learn, and then I can build it and do stuff. So this is the one we're going to start off with for now, or I'm going to start off with for now. I also ordered green alternative energies, but it hasn't come in yet. So, oh well. So, when we open the box, what do we get? We get, ooh, we get the Rover body, which has nice little gears here that you can see in there. So see what's going on. And it has batteries in the underneath. Takes 6 of them. So woohoo. So let's put this aside. We get a book on how to do the projects to do, so we can drive this thing around. And then we get all the circuits in a nice little thing here. I don't know, we'll have to work on those later. Two pieces of paper. Important, read this first. Do not return to retailer, call, or shop at L&Co for stuff if you have problems with missing parts or whatever. Also, we have the controller. I have apparently the new one with this antenna, so that's the way that goes. And we have the controller. Here, let me reach in here. Hold on. I'm back. Okay, we have a weird controller here. See, it's got the antenna that's bendable. And pieces here that are foldable. So, that's the way that goes. But both sides are backwards and forwards. So this thing drives like a tank, where it goes like one direction and then the wheels spin differently from each other to turn it like that. It'll be weird. So, put that to the side. Let's start with boring people to death. Okay, so what's going on here? Oh, basic troubleshooting and stuff. About the FCC. Table of contents. Warnings. Batteries. And then a list of everything that should be in here, I guess. Which we're assuming we have it all. How to use it. We're putting batteries in the controller and the unit. For examples and other such. I don't know how good anybody can read this stuff. And it lists the RX thing, which is, I believe, the receiver. And this controls the motors in the car. And then just circuits galore to do God only knows what. Want to drive the car, other projects. Because this thing says it has 23 projects to it. Build over 20 projects. Block diagrams and everything. Well, I'm going to have a whole bunch of reading to do. And then we get to the projects. Oh, no, missed page. Warnings. Don't connect it like this or it'll explode. Okay, so we may never do that. And here's some other stuff on how to hook up stuff. And then here's the project. Ooh, Night Rover is the first one. Well, we'll have to see about putting that together, but now I gotta go read. Okay, I started building this, and I'm like, I should be building this on camera, so here, here I am. Here's the diagram I'm working off of. And the Rover also has, when we put this hexagonal thing on here, we're going to have to twist these little blue things to keep it secure, or the circuit board secure. Because this is a circuit board, believe it or not. Which I think is so cool. So, we're going to have to go put the motor controller. Yeah, this grid has like little, I don't know if you can see it, has little numbers up at the top here, and it has letters on the side. And so that's how that goes. And it looks like this goes right about 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm only 3 spaces away, so that goes like right there. These are all new, so hey, it doesn't want to cooperate. Now we need, yeah, we've got one here, that's 7, a 2 slot, another 2 slot, a 3 slot across. We have this switch here. It's supposed to stay like that, and this is the motor control, which we use these things to connect to the Rover. And then this is the radio controller, which receives signals from this thing. So, and again, here's the diagram. Looks like we need a 2 here, and another big, long one. No, we have 2, a 4, and a 6. So we're going to take out the 6 and just run it, actually. Ooh, this is kind of hard to do with only one hand. Breaking those up. So from here to here, I need a 2 spot. Ooh, nice firm snap. And then along the bottom, we need a 6 spot. But even though these things are long, there's only like 2 snaps on the ends. See, just 2. So we'll snap it onto the board here, and snap it onto the board there. Now we need a 4-poster right along the bottom here. Now look at the diagram here. We're going to need a fiber, I think. Hold on, I'm putting... Okay, let's connect some connections here with this stuff here. So we need this weird thing on position 4 across to the radio controller here. And we're going to need the 3 running across 5 to 4 like that. Now we're going to need a 100, yeah, a R1 100 resistor on top of this one. And then we're going to have to put this LED underneath it, but we're going to have to See how the lamp, well, here's how the lamp works right there. There's the lamp. So it's pointing this way. So we're going to have to put it slip it underneath the 100 watt resistor and click it into place, and then snap the resistor right there on top of it. And that goes for a C4. Here's a C4. It's I don't know what that is. 100 or it's a 100 UF thing. We're gonna have to snap that right beside 2, and then we're gonna take 5 space wire. Yeah, these are actually wired. And put it underneath of it. And now I'm confused. Because the 5 runs right here, but this one's here on the bottom. So, oh, okay, I see what I'm doing wrong. I have to put that there, I think. Put the fiber here, and hook the fiber down here, put the 4 on top. And then I'm going to have to take a piece here and stick it right underneath the thing, or on top of the thing, like on top of this lamp, like that, and run it here onto the fiber. And then we're going to need it. Ooh, this is kind of long. Then we're going to need to run this one upside down the way it is and put it right here. And hook it onto the radio thing. Okay, I'm going to keep working on this. Okay, I'm sorry about this. There's a whole elevation, like these things have to go up one here and up one here to get to these. Plus, you have to pay attention to, like, this one. It needs to be like this. They showed me that the plus sign here needs to be like above, like going this way, and and these two were both. I put them both upside down, and it's just weird sometimes. So I gotta make sure all my connections are right, which they seem to be. My plus sides are all facing the way they're supposed to be. So yeah, the circuit is complete. Now I just need to mount it onto the Rover. Like so. And then I'm going to have to do some disassembly because the spinner things like this. Here's the spin. See, now that's locked in place. But, and the other one, both of these are locked in place. But the other two are underneath the U8 circuit. So I'm going to have to break some connections and get that done. And then I'm going to have to snap these parts onto the back of the Rover that's down here to get power and such. So, sorry, gonna have to get back. So, we got it all connected. Now, this has channels. This is the controller. We have to make sure it's on C, and the controller has a button down here. Make sure it's on C. Okay. So, as you can see, the light's on, so it's working. Sweet. Now I'm going to probably play. Now I need 2 hands to do this, and I don't have anything special, so I'm going to have to do this off camera a bit. Okay. Well, I found a little something I have for doing camera work. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. If you push this button here, you can make it noise. Other button doesn't seem to do much. Move one stick, it goes that way. Move the other stick, it goes the other way. And it drives pretty cool. When it goes forward, I see blue lights. When it goes backwards, I see red lights. And it's pretty slow, so I can chase around my cats with this one really well. Woohoo. So that's project number 1, Night Rover. I'm going to have some fun with this thing. Wonder if it... Nope, my foot stops it. Well, it's not that powerful, I guess. Oh well, that's Night Rover Project 1. Thank you for watching.